Hey guys, Disney Collector here with 3 Play-Doh Easter eggs. No, not banana, Easter eggs. Let's see what we have inside. A Kinder Surprise. Whoa, this toy is from Monsters University. You just have to put him together and it's done. Now let's check out the next one. Our minion is going cuckoo. I guess he's excited about the toy surprise. Let's check it out. Another one from Monsters University. Cute. And now, the last Easter egg. And we got Randy. Cool. Since we have a lot of Play-Doh left over, how about we transform them into minions? You just have to make a little egg once again. And now we have our Easter egg minion. So let's make another one. Now we're gonna make the purple minion. Our purple minion Easter egg looks adorable. Now we're gonna make another minion. This is gonna be our baby minion. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more Play-Doh surprises right here on Disney Collector.